Friends, welcome back to my channel. When we want to use 5-volt USB power, we want to install this connector anywhere that we can connect this cable. What is the pin out? Positive 5 volt. This pin is ground, so we can use this pin. We can solder one wire here as a positive, here as a ground. Do proper thinning. Thin this connector as well. Left side positive wire. Now the connections are ready. This is positive, this one is ground, and in the center there is data positive line. Data positive, and the first pin at the left, that is data negative, and the right is ID pin. Let's check the voltage. Black. So we have positive voltage, this one is ground. Now this plug is ready. Thanks for watching.